Let's do some API gateway questions, okay? So a company is building an e-commerce web application on AWS. The application sends information about new orders to an Amazon API gateway REST API to process. The company wants to ensure that they are processed in order, okay? So that might have to relate to first in, first out, a FIFO queue of some sort, okay? And that they are, okay, so we want to ensure that the orders are processed in the order that they are received. Okay, what will meet these requirements? Okay, we have options all related to API gateway. So API gateway, just to go over it, relates to HTTP and S, okay? It makes push, push, update, and delete requests for HTTP functions, which is all RESTful, okay? Just remember RESTful is a keyword for API gateway, okay? These are all RESTful requests. So when you see RESTful in the question, think API gateway. So we have some responses here. It says use an API gateway integration to publish a message to simple notification service, SNS topic, when the application receives an order. Use an AWS Lambda function to perform processing, which is not the answer because we're trying to find a first in, first out, and that's just SNS. We want a first in, first out queue because it says processed in order. So now we're gonna go here. It says integration to send a message to Amazon simple queue service. That might be the answer. Okay, and we have also simple queue service right here, and we're not going to do this one. Simple queue service, standard queue, that's not the right answer because we're not looking for a standard queue. We're looking for a first in, first out queue when it says processed in order, in the order. So the answer would be use an API gateway integration to send message to an Amazon simple notification service, SQS, FIFO queue when the application receives an order. Configure SQS FIFO queue to invoke AWS Lambda function for processing, okay?